Hello dear subscribers, hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to technology, psychology, food, animals, sports, horror and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep supporting. The tallest man ever recorded was American giant Robin Wadlow. Some Egyptians' doctors had specialized fields of study. Most elephants weigh less than the tongue of a blue whale. Men can read smaller print than women. Women can hear better. The British Empire was the largest empire in the world history. Mercedes invented a car controlled by joystick in 1966. Dolphins give each other specific names. Chicks start communicating with their mothers even before they even hatch. May 20, 1873 is the birthday of blue jeans. Thanks to 3D printing, NASA can basically email tools to astronauts. The White House has 35 bathrooms, so every bathroom break can be different for POTUS. The United States apparently makes 25% of the world's cheese. That's a whole lot of cheese. North Korea bought 1,000 Volvo cars from Sweden in 1974 but never paid after being delivered. In Russia, beer was considered a soft drink, not alcohol, until 2011. Blue whales eat 500,000 calories in one mouthful. One of the mysterious places on the earth is Lake Khiluk. A British man, James Howells, in 2013 accidentally threw away a computer hard drive before realizing that it contained 7,500 bitcoins. Khaby Lame lost his job on early stage of pandemic and started making TikTok videos. A team of scientists from the United States and Hong Kong has created a bionic eye that can act like a human eye. The person who invented homework was an Italian teacher named Roberto Novellis. This clock works with the position of the sun. Under the surface of Antarctica, there are more than 138 dormant volcanoes. Stockholm telephone tower with about 5,500 telephone lines, 1890. Do you know that the shortest war in the history took place between England and Zanzibar in 1896? Hardly you know that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi uses the pen of Montblanc Company of Germany. The human lungs contain approximately 1,500 miles of airways and over 300 million alveoli. These coins were in soldier pocket during World War I. The coin stopped a bullet and saved a soldier's life. Mizoram, many shops without shopkeepers are found. You take what you want and keep money in deposit in box because they believe trust is the most important part of life. The peregrine falcon, which can fly more than 300 km per hour, making it is not only the world's fastest bird but also the world's fastest animal. First country to make the Constitution, USA. The world's smallest OmniVision camera image array capable of capturing 200 into 200 resolution video at up to 300 frames. Jolo chip, hottest chips in the world. Jellyfish or scientists called as jellies are on Earth before the dinosaurs. Limca, Gold Spot, Citra, Maaza, Thumbs Up as much cold drink that the company is, it is earlier run by Parle Company. While pandas sometimes eat fish or small animals, 99% of their diet leaves, stems and bamboo. The most expensive item ever sold on eBay was yak. The second Wizarding War ended at Hogwarts. India is approximately 250,000 years older civilization in the world. Michael Jackson took his llamas to the recording studio. Michael Jackson was gifted 5,000-pound elephant. A study has discovered that 8% of all Instagram accounts are fake. Thanks for watching.